Yo, Merry Christmas to me, bro. Thanks, Mishy. We've got a lot of stuff to do today. Damn, full trunk full of stuff, bro. Hope you guys are all having a great day. Fingers are crossed. Hoping for an amazing day today. All right, we're here. I want to get this stuff unboxed because I have absolutely no idea what it is. Story of my life. Ethan has had so many Mustangs in here lately, especially S550s, that, and look at this, dude. There's also like 15 more inside, I'm pretty sure, that I'm kind of maybe considering getting one. Yes. What's up, my dude? How you doing?
You should get one.
2 Terpskis, a little bit of 10R80 action. Man, it is hard to beat the look of this sucker. Not that I would ever replace this. This car is mine, bro. Let's unbox the Mishy stuff. And then this box, I have some lug nuts actually for the GTR. So thank you so much, Mishimoto, for sending all this out. We've got an electric slim fan for some low profile stuff to give us some room in there. Some lube, that's for you, Ethan. New radiator, which is the stock-ish size, but it's like beautiful looking. And also a nice, well, hoses, and then new intercooler. Very excited about that. Super good quality, I really like it, but we're not gonna worry about that right now. We've got some other stuff to go ahead and knock out. Ethan took a trip to the store this morning. Some unique fittings to do 2 lines in. Have not ever plumbed in 2 return lines on a Honda, at least. Well, we doing it. We gonna do it. So that's really cool. And then you should check out the sick stuff that he's got over here. So last video we talked about running stuff from the back of the block and doing a relocation kit. So we've got this little guy and the 2 beautiful new lines that are going to run to each individual turbo. So that is going to look awesome. Progress. We have, well, I've gotten everything tight here in terms of the hoses, all the intercooler hoses. I'm gonna wait till the intercooler. The intercooler's a little bit smaller than this one, so I gotta wait until we can have somebody weld and extend the pipe a little bit. All of the clocking bolts are on the turbos and they are tight. Exhaust and compressor housing. This needs to be tightened a little bit, but we got the wastegate on, the little Chinese choo-choo. Really good room. It kind of meets up with the slave cylinder, but it's really good. So he's getting the slave cylinder on. He's had to do a little bit to the wiring harness that we got, because it was yanked out in a hurry, I would say.
Trying to get this last transmission bolt in before I make that inaccessible.
That's good. That's a great idea. But we've got the head stud situation figured out now, and everything is pretty much ready to be run. Intake manifold goes back on, and so far, I don't want to say anything, but it's looking like it's going to start today, and we'll figure out anything after that. So here is how that AN line is going to go. We're going to have one draining into this boy right here, and then one wrapping around, draining into that boy right there. We do still have to actually like make the AN lines though. Hey, what'd you say, Ethan?
What?
That is like very on there. Thank you for sending me lube, Mishimoto. That helped a lot.
That was going to be required, I guess.
right, so the valve cover's on. These little O-rings are definitely fudged, so I'm gonna have to steal them off of my other valve cover. So, but for today, just for starting's sake, they're gonna be okay. I'm gonna go ahead and pour some oil into this hoe, and we're gonna get her started soon. Got some 50 weight oil, and I just messed it. Alrighty, here we go. We are getting really close. All of the AN lines are run and tight. It doesn't look very nice right now, but we do have the oil feeds run. Got to figure out something a little prettier than this, but it works for now. Only thing left is I gotta get the fuel pressure regulator on, the fuel rail right there. Really, we just gotta get the battery on, a couple more wiring things, and like, hopefully this thing's gonna kick right up. Big deals right now, boys. This battery definitely does not work, but starter's going on. Battery is in, and I have tape in my hand. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I don't care what happens, I'm just excited. Now last touch, really, to bypass the automatic, we've got to bypass two little things in here for that neutral control override switch thingy. Snip. Then they need to touch. I'm gonna join those. All right, red to black, right?
Yes, exactly.
Ho, baby. I can move it. I can certainly move this.
Cool.
Oh, that's the annoying little beep I used to hear all the time. All right. So now, hook up ECU. I'm feeling good, but we have significant variables here. There's the jumper harness for the distributor. There's the jumper harness down here. This also has given us problems in the past. This is a weird distributor.
The firing order.
The firing order should be okay, but like we could have some flames just pop out immediately.
That'd be cool, right? That's
Yeah.
the intention anyways.
But that shit was like, that literally sounded like a gunshot though. It's not that cool.
Next up on Evan's channel, just a flame. Why don't you just do a flamethrower build? Like, we have a bypass on. What are we forgetting? Are we
We're forgetting to start it.
We're only forgetting 10 things, but we're gonna start it anyways.
What you feeling like, Ethan? Do some jumping jacks? Get it out of your system?
Oh,
We have oil, no water, but
the battery is turn around to engine start mode.
incredibly dead. All right.
I'm going for clutch pedals. It's not there.
Oh, it's there. Come on.
We need more juice.
Okay, more juice.
Sorry for the
It sucks right now. Ah!
What are you doing?
I try so hard not to step in that shit.
Too jumpy, boys. You trying it again?
Yep.
Oh, jeez. I really hope the firing order is correct, because that crap is scary.
What?
Oh! No! Come on! It's
I
trying.
have no throttle hooked up, so I can't rev up at all.
Okay, I can. As long as the firing order is correct, I can give you some throttle.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on! It's also got 4-year-old 87 in right now, so that's not good. Yep. Come on! Go! Go! Damn it!
Smells like 4-year-old 87.
It does. It is. It really is. I can give it all the way gas. Come on! Come on, baby! Go! Sick, dude.
Absolutely smells like
That smells like 10-year-old gas. It's like a lawnmower.
Put my brand on it. Put my brand on it.
Alright, you want me to go ahead and give it throttle?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna try it again. Alrighty. Change some. Come on, bitch. Come on. Ah, it's trying, dude. But it's stinky as heck. What'd you do?
I mean, I just traded out a completely different computer right now.
Okay. Oh, gotcha.
Sometimes you can get away, like if you have the map sensor has quadrupled in size, and the injectors have like tripled in size. So like sometimes even on a stock computer, you can
You can start it.
You can start
So
it.
right now we obviously we have These are the same injectors we ran before. Got the 4-bar map sensor right here. This is like a janky little thing that we had to put on. It's like it's a jumper. Well, it's actually one is missing. This is my old distributor. I need to get my distributor for the for this year car.
We're definitely at this moment. There's a crank sensor down low on this side on OBD2 cars.
Yeah.
OBD1 doesn't have that. And
Yeah.
so we're not even running that sensor right now. I know that it can run without it, but we have to do more wiring for sure. It ran.
Oh, it's not cranking.
At 13.7 volts.
Oh, okay.
I guess you got it.
Yeah. Try it.
Try it again. Go.
Okay. Try it.
Might be the starter itself.
Could be.
Actually, that starter was kind of jank. Yeah, it was kind of janky.
Terminal's way loose.
I have another starter or two here, but like I don't think they're D-series starters.
Right now the starter is bad. At least it cranked. We hear some fire, some action going on. I thought I brought my other starter, but it might be still at my house. So, if anything, we know that we don't have any leaks, so we're looking at that. Like, I don't
We have
any...
no leaks, or we have no oil pressure.
Yeah, that's a good.
I think we probably do.
Yeah, dude, no oil pressure's a solid one. Now we have a brand new oil pump and stuff like that, so like oil pressure should be fine, but it's just that's definitely a good thing to know that we just spent all this time and we don't have to go back through and remess with anything like that. So that'll work for now. We're gonna try and find a new starter, but if anything, like that was a good crank. It kind of quasi ran. That's Ethan's favorite word, but it quasi ran for a little bit. But I mean, like, it's good there. I'm excited. I am excited.
Just kind of to leave people hanging on for the next
true.
video, the real proper.
It's like a soap opera, dude.
We did good. It shouldn't have even run today. We've been deluding ourselves for like 3 days. Like, oh, it's gonna run today, but cars.
World's first, baby. Made so many people mad by saying that, but I've still never seen another compound turbo Civic. Just saying, everybody said like, oh, I've seen twin, not the same thing. I've seen blah, 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 not the same thing. I've seen a sequential, not the same thing. World's first compound. 1320 even says it. I just ripped my pants. Let's get it. Come on, baby. There it is.
All right.
Yes. Just needed a couple little things. Oh God, that's stinky. Once the starter is fixed, we can at least like continue cranking it over and like actually making it do some sort of work. It was still cool to hear the little sputter go out, like no oil leaks. I'm really, really stoked. Tomorrow, the idea is to like get it onto the dyno by the end of the day. So we're really trying to move fast here and I'm really trying to get this done. I'm really appreciative of all the pages and stuff that have shared this compound turbo Civic. 1320's even shared it. There's a lot of the pages out there that are really excited about this, and I know you guys are excited about it. I'm really excited about it. I really want it to happen. I want it to start up. I want to shoot flames. I want to take it to the drag strip. Like, I'm ready to have fun with it. There's been a lot of mixed opinions on this car, but I think it's gonna work well. And regardless of whether it does or doesn't, it's been fun and it looks cool. I think it'll work. I want to tell you guys today, like my daily advice. I give you guys daily advice every day. My daily advice for you guys is to not be ashamed of your story. Everything in your life happens for a purpose. No matter the good, no matter the bad, that purpose is for you to use. You never know how simple, invaluable you might think an event is that happened in your life. Like that could literally save somebody someday, or that could change somebody's life. But I want to encourage you guys to don't be selfish with your story. Don't hide it for yourself. Don't, like, people live such selfish lives and like, oh, I'm gonna keep it for me, myself, and I. Nobody, I'm not worried about nobody but me. I love you guys. I wish you guys an incredibly great set of holidays. Merry Christmas. I am going to try and get one video before Christmas, maybe one after. We still have some more stuff to do. So, and Eva wrap. So I'll catch you guys later. You guys have an amazing week, and get ready for 2020. Peace. Oh yeah! You can also win my Evo 10. Look at that one video, dude. Check that crap out, dude. It's so freaking sick, dude. Also, you can watch that other video. Watch one of those two videos. Keep it going. Keep the Evan Shanks vibe going. It's a good one, I promise.